Welcome back. This market wants to end the November series with a bit of a onslaught. It seems wants to go at the high point of the day. The Nifty has moved up. Cipla, pull up the intraday chart out there. The street is sensing something. That stock has moved to the high point of the day. Nestle is another one that's moved higher as well. So that as well should come up for you on the screen. But the reason that the markets do well is because the heavyweights have to do well. And the Nifty Bank has cut its losses. It's only done around 60 points as we speak. And HDFC Bank, last few days it's been showing some kind of move, from the lows. It's showing that inclination to move towards 1600 odd. And even today, it's recovered a fair bit from the low point, currently moved into the green. Good time to get in. Nimesh, what are you picking up? What a fantastic series it's been for the bulls. The shots have got stumped out on the wrong side. But what are you picking up?
Hi Nigel, a day of consolidation, so to speak. But again, today the flows won't be important because of the MSCI rebalancing as well as the expiry as well. So directionally, you can't talk too much about from a flow perspective, but again, the sense I'm getting is there is a bit of bias towards the broader market. So the outperformance in broader market continues. The index is up 0.5%, but there are a lot of big winners within the broader markets which are doing well in trade today. But the theme clearly seems to be the PSUs. This has been the series of PSUs, and all of the PSU stocks have done well. Even in today's trade, if you look at the top 5-6 F&O gainers, there are likes of GAIL, BHEL, BL, all within the PSU basket which are doing good in trade today. So 2 out of 3 big triggers are out of the way, which is the MSCI rebalance as well as the expiry. Now all eyes will be on the exit poll data which will come today evening. So maybe you'll see a bit of volatility in tomorrow's trade, but I guess from a series point of view, the November has been quite strong with big gains in the broader market, and the theme of PSU outperformance continues.
Okay. All right. Nimesh, that's the overall kind of lay of land. But in terms of individual stocks, what are you picking up?
Well, as I said, a lot of stocks are buzzing in trade today. The first stock on my list today is Timken India. There was a large block, nearly 2.5% equity got changed hands, a deal worth close to 600 crores. I understand a non-promoter entity was a seller in today's block, but at the same time, a leading domestic mutual fund was a buyer. So the disclosures would be quite interesting in Timken India. The second stock is Hudco. Part of that PSU theme which is doing good. Hudco is buzzing in trade today, large volumes. I understand some HNI interest seems to be back. And hence, after a bit of underperformance in the last few days, that stock has bounced back well in today's trade. The third stock is LIC Housing Finance. For second day running, this is one stock which is well bid. The volumes are on the higher side. The sense is a couple of large HNI investors are again active buyers now, and hence a bit of excitement in that stock in the last couple of days. And the last one is CochinShipyard. Again, big move in that stock in today's trade and on large volumes. I guess the street is now anticipating a large order win for company very soon, and hence that stock got excited in today's trade.
Got it. All right, Nimesh, thanks a lot for that. Well, just pull up one more stock. We have Relicare that should come up for you on the screen. We've been making this point at around 215 to 220. For someone who believes that this open offer is going to go through, well, they'll be looking to play that short-term arbitrage. That's buy it at 215, 220, and you have an open offer. If it gets the green signal, then you can tender in at around 235 odd. And in the last few minutes, even from today's low, the stock is up close to around 4%. So Relicare should come up for you on the screen. Some part of the street believes that it's going to go through. And that's why, in fact, that one has recovered a goodish bit. To give you a background, the Burmans, they are looking to take a larger chunk. And they've launched an open offer at around 235 rupees a share. So that arbitrage opportunity is still open. Mitesh Thakkar is back with us. Mitesh, last 20 minutes. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to CNBC-TV18. Make sure you follow us and stay updated on all our social media platforms.